Good morning to you. Mild weather winds out, but for today only, because the outlook turns much colder for all of us as the weather changes. It's rain that slips southwards, a cold front. Behind that, the cold air floods in, but high pressure builds. It keeps weather fronts at bay. So we see that beautiful face of autumn that is cold and frosty with fog by night. And this is how it looks for the next few mornings. It turns much, much colder, widespread frost returning, but beautiful sunshine by day. And that's sort of the theme of things. It's mild, wet and windy in the north today, drier and brighter further south. And first thing this morning, we have clear skies for England and Wales. Not as cold as yesterday, a little more cloud rolled in, but Scotland and Northern Ireland, here is the rain that we had yesterday, and it is still with us. Wet and windy, particularly to the south of that band of rain. Showers moving through northern areas of England. So here's our north-south divide. Southern areas dry, bright, and temperatures 12, 13 degrees. But the outlook is for this rain to move south, and then it turns colder. So let's take a look at our 7-day outlook, where our weekend is always in view, and a peek at next week as well. Scotland, Northern Ireland, the far north of England, north of the Humber. Average temperature line here. It is mild today. A dramatic drop in our temperatures, though, as we head through the rest of the week into the weekend, and the outlook stays cold. The rainfall trace shows a pretty similar story. We can see rainfall symbols, a high chance of rain today. That drops tomorrow. Then the outlook is sunshine all the way, and high pressure means it's dry as well, with a really, really low percentage chance of rainfall. The fortunes for England and Wales away from the far north, so south of the Humber. Mild today, temperatures above average. And again, we can really nicely see our 7-day outlook helping us plan ahead to change our coats. It is set to turn much colder through the week into the weekend, staying that way into next week. And percentage chance of rainfall low today, high tomorrow, patchy rain, and then it drops down again. The cold weather arrives, the sunshine returns, the outlook is largely dry, cold and sunny. Well, the clarity is a tale of two halves. A north-south divide for today's weather. A weather front in the north, it's looking fine in the south. And what that means for today is it's wet and windy through northern areas, but drier and brighter further south. And this is the scene first thing this morning. The satellite and radar shows clear skies, but actually it is largely dry this morning for England and Wales, but much milder than yesterday, about 10 degrees warmer than yesterday, thanks to a little bit more cloud. Patchy rain through West Wales, patchy rain for northern England, but the bulk of the rain is Scotland and Northern Ireland. It will be heavy, it's still windy, the rain will clear through and brighter skies will follow, and with southwesterly winds, it remains mild. 12 or 13 degrees our top temperature, but the outlook is changing. It's set to turn colder for all of us, sunny by day, frosty by night.